Hey guys, zpolt here, and I'm back for another video, and this time we're gonna do a Q&A. This Ask Me Something V2. This is the second installation in this series where you guys ask me questions and I'm gonna try to answer them as best as I can. So let's choose a question now. So first question is from JPPJ. What phone are you using right now? So I'm using mainly the iPhone XS Max. So iPhone is not that popular with the community, definitely with the tech community, but I still use it as my main driver. But I do use another Android phone, which is the Note 8. I'm a dual wield person. I always have two phones in my pocket. So still XS Max is still smooth, everything works. But definitely in terms of value for money, it's not good. So I wouldn't, recommend it per se unless you are stuck with the Apple ecosystem. I am still stuck because I'm a developer. I need to play games and iOS. So yeah, XS Max is my main. My secondary is the Note 8. Next is Doran Leather Gopher. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Where are you from and what nation? So I am from the Philippines, from the sunny Philippines. I'm not sure if you recognize the accent. I'm not sure if the Filipino accent is recognizable outside. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm from the Philippines. There's a big audio community here, so I'm proud that I am part of the audio community here in the Philippines. Next is from Yawa. If there's a priority, I'd say the earphone or IEM has some more effect in the sound quality compared to DAP or DAC amps. So I'd say upgrade first your IEM up to a certain level and then upgrade your DAP after. So as I mentioned, it's a good ratio that you have a 1:1 value. So for X number of dollars that you spend with the earphone, you have X number of dollars that you spend on your DAP or DAC amp also, and that's usually a good ratio. I'd say in terms of value for money, it's around $100 to $200. After that, there's already, of course, diminishing returns, but definitely there's an upgrade. But in terms of value, you're getting less for your dollar as you upgrade in this high-end, more than $200, more than $300 range. It will be up to you what you value the most. That will be your choice. The story behind your channel name, zpolt. Okay, it's very nice. I'm looking for these questions. zpolt is actually my in-game name in Counter-Strike when I was very young, when I was in grade 6. So I was playing a lot of games when I'm little, so I'm using zpolt as my main name, and it just came out from nowhere. It actually started from Polt, P-O-L-T. Polt is actually a StarCraft player, so it started from there. And I thought that it's pretty lame sounding, so I added a Z just to make it cooler. So it has been zpolt ever since. I think I've been using this for 15 years. I don't know, but long time. So yes, it's just my in-game name in games. I'm using zpolt in all of my games. From Joseph Hendrik Miliza. What are your goals for the channel? So for the channel, I want it to be a full-blown tech channel. So I'm starting out with audio, definitely. I'm gonna review all my gear. Actually, in just the audio, there's a lot of gears to review. But I wanted to have a more tech stuff, maybe some cameras. And also starting to delve into that now, and maybe some PC, some laptops, keyboards. Also keyboards, I want to review a lot of keyboards. So this is my Philco Manila Air. So yes, I want to review a lot of stuff, but I'm hands full with audio right now, which is cool. But I want to start with other stuff as well. I want it to be a full-blown tech channel for me, and I probably will go, maybe full-time here in the future once it permits me. I'm really excited about that. From Joseph Hendrik Meliza again, what got you interested in audio? So as you can see from the back, I am a musician. Firstly, I do record my own songs. I play the electric guitar. I have a Telecaster, I have a Stratocaster, I have a Martin guitar. I also have a Fender bass guitar. I have drums also. So I play several instruments. I also have a piano. I have a Roland XPS 30. So I play different instruments and also MIDI controllers. Yeah, a lot. And I record my own songs. So I started with buying high-end audio gear because I want to monitor. Basically, I want to record my own songs and to mix and master it to, you know, industry level in terms of quality. So I wanted to get the best audio. Though from there, it became a hobby by itself. It became its own monster. So now I am here. I have, you know, 50 headphones later. I am passionate about audio now. Thoughts on smartphones ditching that headphone jack, in your opinion? So next is from Renwick C. Thoughts on smartphones that ditching the headphone jack, in your opinion, on how close is wireless Bluetooth audio devices versus wired? So okay, I like to answer this one. Ditching the headphone jack, it's a bummer. I don't like it. I think it's a backwards upgrade. You know, they're selling it as an upgrade. They're selling it as it's, you know, required now. They're kind of saying that it's required, you know, to progress, but I don't think so. Definitely wired still has its advantages over wireless. Wireless will always have a delay. There's an increase now in terms of delay, but there's always a delay. So wired will always be needed, so especially in games where you need you know, the utmost performance. Wired will always have a delay. So there's no point for me in ditching wired. Wired is still needed. It's not something that you can just forget, because wired definitely has its advantages over wireless. So I think for me, it's just a marketing thing for them to sell wireless headphones to us, which is something that I don't like. So I'm not a fan of that. If I'm gonna buy, definitely I'm gonna choose the one with the headphone jack. I just didn't have a choice with the iPhone XS Max. If I have a choice, I won't buy it, but you know, I don't like it. I wish that they will keep the headphone jack. I think it's just a marketing stunt. So I mostly focused on the questions that's not really, you know, super audio related, because I'm gonna do some reviews. But yeah, this is Ask Me Something V2. Hopefully you learned something, and if you have additional questions, of course, just post it down below and maybe I'm gonna answer them in future Ask Me Something V2s. Definitely thank you for those who participated in this and asked some questions. Appreciate your questions, guys. And of course, we're nearing 7,000 subscribers now, so really awesome. I haven't done a channel update in a long time because, you know, I had a lot of reviews that I need to do, so hopefully I can finish them all so I can, you know, move forward with all the content that I want to do here in this channel. But definitely thank you for all the questions that you got. If you learned something, of course, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.